Welcome, Dr. Cameron Hopkins from Chiro for Family Wellness. It's very difficult to choose the right chiropractor, particularly if you haven't been referred to a chiropractor or you've never been to a chiropractor. It's a little daunting, and a common question asked is, who do I choose? I don't even know them. Well, there's one thing that we feel that all people watching this video should insist when visiting a chiropractor for their children or babies. There's 5 key elements that we include in our practice, which is not done anywhere else. So number 1, I would insist on 100% satisfaction guaranteed, or customer satisfaction. Now what that means is, if you're not completely satisfied with the way we look after yourself and your child or your baby, then your visit's free. Now that's just not for the first visit, that's also for consecutive visits if they're required. So you've got to let Kathy or myself know that if you're not completely happy that you haven't been treated like one of the family or a VIP patient from day one, then you let us know and that consultation will be free. Number 2, I would insist on your waiting time. Now sadly, 30% of chiropractors run more than 20 minutes late when looking after children or babies, or even adults for that matter. We don't do that here because that's totally unacceptable. Now, we understand there's emergencies and there's times where we have difficult patients, but we have a 10-minute wait guarantee. That means if you wait longer than 10 minutes in the reception area, your consultation's free. And we're very proud of that, and we stick to that because we understand your time is just as important as ours. We hear far too often that someone went to their doctor or chiropractor and had to wait for 30 minutes or 40 minutes. In our practice, that's totally unacceptable. So I definitely insist on that. Number 3, I would insist on experience. Now, we've had 20 years experience with dealing with babies and children. We've got over 2,000 children and babies on our records. We commonly get referrals off doctors and other healthcare professions with babies and children. So we've had a lot of experience when dealing with many different conditions that babies and children come and see us with. So experience is very important. I would also insist on number 4, which we offer in our practice, which no one else does. We offer a risk-free first visit. Now what that means is, on average, the chiropractors in the local area range from $90 to $200 for the first consultation, possibly a report of findings and x-rays. Now we don't charge that. What we charge initially for your child or baby is a $49 new child rate. Now the reason we do that is, you don't know us. We want you to feel comfortable that if we require further treatments, that you're happy to continue to use our services. So that $49 includes the initial consultation, the treatment, a report of findings, and any x-rays that we require. And the 5th thing that I would insist on is no pressure affordability. Now sadly, we've had quite a few patients come in and children into office where they've tried to be signed up for 3 months or 6 months worth of treatment. Now we don't do that here. What we have here is no pressure affordability payment systems where we have different options for babies and children. We have children's rates, we have family rates. So we try and really accommodate for our babies and children that we see in our families by having different rates. So we're not trying to get them the best results, we're also trying to help them financially as well. So when looking for a chiropractor, those 5 key areas I believe are extremely important. And that's one thing we pride ourselves on here at the office, is we stick to those 5 key areas and we deliver those 5 keys. So if you have any questions regarding any treatment or any questions regarding your child or baby, feel free to give us a call. Please check out the other videos. There's some great other videos that makes our practice very unique when dealing with babies and children, and some techniques that we've used in our practice that get us the fastest results for your children and babies as possible. So we look forward to talking to you soon, and bye for now.